guys, Neon Lag here, and today I'll be playing some more Animal Lag. As you can tell, it is very, very laggy. Anyway, today we are gonna be viewing the most lost kid. Okay, we are gonna be viewing the most dangerous yet quite interesting animals around Jamaa. These are known as the role players. Okay, so we're gonna be examining them, and what better to do when examining them than be a real safariist, or whatever you call it. I don't even know. Anyway, so yeah, of lag. Okay, so let's get on that safari outfit. Perfectly safari. Okay. Next, let's go down and observe them. Let's see what it's like. So laggy though. Okay. Oh my gosh. The text is rolling, guys. Oh lordy. Let's examine them, but make sure not to bother them, because they are very ferocious and give off an aura of lag. If you make them ferocious, they will produce more lag. So be sneaky. Make sure they do not see you. Just in case, use the ninja emote so they do not see you. Once they have not spotted you, move around and make discoveries as shown. Oh, the lag. So, now, let's try to join them, shall we not? So, I will go and find a disguise. Oh wait, I don't need one. Anyway, so, I'm gonna adjust back in my main look, and then let's see how this goes. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Oh, I passed it. Okay. Okay. So, well, while we're waiting, how about you guys comment down in the comments, how was your day? Oh boy. Yeah, it's been very busy for me today, so have not much more to say than that. So, guys, just comment down how you've been today, and yeah. Okay, all done in my main look. Now, let's see if they will accept me. Okay. So, we have to do this calmly and mannerly. Can I join? Oh, somebody